Flashing code F200 when I installed a GE wall oven model PTS 7000 SNSS.
Is your GE oven gas or electric? How old is it?
Electric, new.
How long has this been going on with your GE oven? What have you tried so far?
Just started, just tried turning on and off.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is error code means, oven runaway temperature, oven exceeded temperature of 615 degrees with door unlocked. It could just be a bad oven sensor. Oven sensor part number WB21 by 10165. Also, there is this service bulletin for GE. Hello, do you still need assistance? Did you read the bulletin I sent? Thank you.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.